Hey guys, so here's an update with my account with ITP. So this is one of the newest platform I have joined just yesterday, and I decided to deposit 200 so I could qualify the G1. So I made a research and I am amazed with this project because first of all, they have a huge community of people and a very promising company. Okay, it is registered, and yeah, it's a legitimate company in the US, and they've been operating for quite a while now. And I saw a lot of people making huge amount of money from this project. And by the way, guys, you can still earn from this project even without inviting anyone. Okay, so if you decide to put or deposit an amount, depends on the packs you will uh, activate. So they have the G1 up to G8. The higher the amount you deposit, of course, the higher potential earnings. So started from $100, you will earn 2.5% daily. And yeah, it doesn't require a trading knowledge. It's about quantitative trading. So the process is the AI executes trades from different exchanges. So they buy from one exchange, which has the lowest price, and they are selling it to another exchange for a higher price. So we are earning fix of 2.5%, depends on our rank or accounts status. Okay, so let's see how this works. I have showed you my very first video about this yesterday, and it's about how to register and to claim your free $8 and how to start earning from that free $8. And by the way, I discovered that the free $8 will only gives you 3 days to see how the system works, and then you need to recharge your account for minimum of $100 in order to start or continue executing trades. Okay, so I have deposit $200, so you can see 238.20 here. I've earned $5.20 from my trades yesterday, and the others came from my deposit bonus. Okay, so this is how you do the trading, because when I first saw this opportunity, I don't know what to do. Okay, and I found out that it's very, very simple. You just need to click the quantize here, and then you can see I have a quantified amount of $208. So that's my deposit and the $8 that I received as a sign-up bonus. Okay, so total commission so far is 5.2. That's what I've earned from a free account, and $5 from my $200 deposit. So you can see that I have also 5 times to click this button so I could start generating profit. Okay, this is very simple, and you can see that I am on G1 equity. So this is what I'm talking about, the G1 up to G8 levels. Okay, so yeah, I'm on a G1. All right, so I'm on a G1, and there's no requirements for members. All right, and I exceed the required amount of 100. In fact, I have 238 now, and it doesn't matter. So my next target is to upgrade to G2. Okay, when I upgrade to G2, I need $500 deposit, cumulative deposit, and then I need 5 people or direct referrals to qualify the G2 equity. In G2 equity, my percentage is not 2.5%, but it will go up to 2.8% per day. And my click, okay, is not 5 times anymore. I can have 6 times opportunity to click this single start quantization, and I will earn more than my previous one. Okay, so yeah, there's no magic, there's calculation. I will include in the description compounding calculator so that you will see how much potential you can have even if for just $1,000 deposit. Okay, so I am going to start building this team and I will support you guys. So I will create a Telegram group channel. So if you need assistance, feel free to ask me or communicate with me. Okay, so now let's perform the task. I have 5 out of 5 times now. So this is how we can earn from this project. Okay, start to click single start ITP quantization. So one at a time, guys. You'll see how this works. Okay, there you go. So look at the today's commission and yeah, this quantitative times as well as this quantified amount. So yeah, this is how it works. Okay, very powerful and no pressure. All right, so after 5 trades, quantitative trading, all right, so yeah, I've earned another 5.20 today. So total of 10.4 in just 2 days for a capital of $200. So yeah, I'm thinking of adding up a capital so I can qualify for G2 equity, which is $500. And of course, when I do that, I will earn more than this amount. Okay, the higher the capital we have from here, because we're earning 2.5%, doesn't matter if you qualified for the upgrade condition. If you accomplish the upgrade condition, then we can have a higher or greater benefits compared to a regular one. Okay, so the regular one is just 5 clicks per day, but yeah, and 2.5%. And if we qualified for like accomplishing the direct referrals, then we can have a one more time to execute trades, and also the 2.5% will be 2.8%. Okay, and also from those people that who signs up under us, we will also earn 12% for every profit they've made from this system. So that's a very huge opportunity for us to generate more income. Okay, so as long as this company or this project is legit and stable, then that's a great source for us to generate money, as long as it's for a long-term passive income. Okay, so we're just going to lose money if the project is unreliable and unstable. But for the projects like this, all right, we can have the opportunity to generate more money and yeah, maximize the opportunity to accumulate or to grow our portfolio. So that's all I have for you today, guys, with ITP. If you want to join my team, don't hesitate to contact me. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if it's okay, to hit a like so that this will helps my channel to grow. So if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates with regards to these projects. So thank you so much, guys. Again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.